I'm Sarah from Creative Ramblings, and you're watching Home Talk. To get started, you'll need 10 of these buckets and a collection of zip ties. I am going to start by connecting 4 buckets by the handles. I'm just going to place them together, tie a zip tie really tight around each handle. Once I have 4 together for the base, now I'm going to make the second layer. So I'm going to need 3 buckets for this and another tool. So I'm going to lay this out on the floor, put the other bucket on top, and I'm going to use a Sharpie to mark where I can connect these buckets. Now I'm going to use a wood burning tool to put some holes right through the plastic. This cuts through just like soft butter. You can also use like a metal pick or something else to poke a hole if you don't have one of these tools. Once I have the holes made on both the bottom row and the second row, I'm just going to connect them with zip ties again. I also want to connect the handles of this second row with zip ties so that everything stays together. As we get up to the third row, this can get a little flimsy to work with, so I am going to use some clothespins to just clip these buckets in place while I work with that wood burning tool to create holes. The very top is going to have 1 bucket right on top. Now, as you make this, you'll realize that this is a little flimsy. It is not meant to be a standalone organizer. This works incredibly well in the corner of a room. So you might want to place it against a wall to add that final bucket. We're just going to add those holes, add the zip ties, and your toy organizer is done. So I'm going to clip off all the ends of the zip ties, making sure it's nice and safe. And I am using this as a stuffed animal organizer for my kids. It is sitting in the corner of one of our play areas, and they are able to put in their stuffed animals and access them really easily. This isn't great for really heavy items, but it is perfect for small toys, stuffed animals, or even items that you want to organize around your home. I hope this inspired you to put those dollar store buckets to a new use. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.